Whitelists and Blacklists in DSP. In Volume, you can create whitelists and blacklists useful for targeting specific apps or sites. To start with, go to the DSP tab. You can manually create lists of apps by pressing the List button both in the Daily Bid Request and Rankings tab. Once clicked, you'll be able to choose placements which you want to add to your list. You can do so by simply ticking the checkbox on the left side of a placement name. Click Save List and give it a name to save as a new list, or choose Add Elements to Existing List to update your lists. What's more, you can apply filters while creating lists. This gives you a possibility to search for placements available for a particular country, device, or eligible for particular parameter values. Simply click on the predefined filters on the right if you want to filter based on the type of ads or device. If you want to check other available filters, click on the Add Filters button. Creating whitelist or blacklist in the Rankings tab will give you the option to reference real App Store data and identify the applications in which your campaigns will run. Double-click on each application for additional details, including screenshots, bundle ID, number of downloads, average rating, etc. Thanks to that, you know exactly what type of app you're bidding on. If you want to upload a .csv or zip files with placements, go to the Inventory List tab. Click Add New. Put a name for your list and select the file to upload. Once ready, click Save. All your lists will be stored in the Inventory List tab and can be used for targeting the DSP campaigns. In order to use your list in a campaign, go back to the Tracker tab, choose a campaign from the list, or start with Creating New Campaign. In the Targeting tab under the Placement Control section, click on the Select Your Apps, Sites, Whitelist or Blacklist. Choose Whitelist option if you want to only target placements which are on the list or blacklist. If you don't want to bid on particular placements from a specific list, from the drop-down menu, choose the desired list and that's it. Now you can proceed with creating or editing campaign by clicking Next. Thank you for watching.